connectors.
Or. Alternatively. Otherwise. Conversely. When. Whenever. At the time. As soon as. While. Whereas. Meanwhile. At the same time. Next. Subsequently. Thereafter. In succession. After. Later. Following. Afterward. During. While. Throughout. In the course of. At first. Initially. Begin with. In the beginning. At last. Finally. Ultimately. End. For example. For instance. Namely. Illustrate. For this reason. Due to this. Owing to this. On this account. In contrast. Conversely. On the other hand. Differently. In conclusion. To sum up. All in all. Ultimately.